out to Ford Cavalier for allowing me to review the 2021 Ford F-150. Today we're reviewing the 2021 Ford F-150. This particular model wrapped in an Aga black. For the length 231 inches, height 75 inches. You have a wheel base of 145 inches with a ground clearance of 8.5 inches. Right here we're looking at a 3.5 liter power boost full hybrid V6 engine pushing out 430. For the torque 570 at 1500 RPM. For the MPG highway 24, city 24. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at a 22-inch polished aluminum alloyed wheel. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with blue leather seats. Right here we are looking at a 12-inch digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your RPMs with your engine temp. On the right you have your gas gauge with your MPH. In the middle you have a digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can go through your truck info, fuel economy, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your leather wrapped steering wheel where you have your cruise control setting with your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. The buttons right here are your mirror lights with your tailgate release. The buttons right here are your headlight bezel with your gas release. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. The buttons above the radio are your camera, parking assist with your traction control. Right here we are looking at a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment center with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest sync. With your 360 backup camera, you have your traditional radio shortcuts. Now we're making it down to your dual climate control with your heated and cooled seats. You have your 120 volt outlet. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB with your wireless charging pad. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a hybrid electric 10-speed automatic transmission. Press the button and your shift knob goes down. Then you can turn it into a workbench. You have your cup holder area. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control. Now we're making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. Now we are making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with blue leather seats. You have your cup holder area. You have your air vents with your heated seats. You have your USB outlet with your 120 volt outlet. You have 2 more cup holders in the armrest. You have your tail drop assist. This particular model is a 5.5 inch standard bed measuring at 67.1 inches long by 52.8 feet wide. You have a 7.2 kilowatt Pro Power onboard. Once again, huge shout out to Ford Cavalier for allowing me to review the 2021 Ford F-150. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Always get people browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.